the Hunter X2 timer Wi-Fi controller. Actually, this one's not Wi-Fi controller because it's still got the, this is where the wand goes. You have to buy the wand separately extra. I'll put that in a link to that below. I'll link to the timer too. These are the Hunter X Core was the previous version. They usually come with this quickie card, but we'll just run through a few things here. It's basically you turn the dial and push the buttons, and so we got the time here, and usually you want to leave it on auto. During the winter you put it to off, but right now we're gonna look at the timing. So if you wanted to set the year, you would plus or minus, and if you want to set the date, you would plus or minus, and then you go to the next one and the next one, and you can AM or PM or 24 hour by plussing or minusing, and then that's the timing to time, and then that's all the things there. So then you go to the start time. So the program A is set for 3 a.m. I think it's once a day on here, yeah. So that'd be the second start time. A2 is a second start time. Don't confuse it with the run time. We're not on run time yet. Stay with start time. Start time is off for a program. This is your program. If you want to switch to B, you go to the program as the middle button. See me pushing the middle button? You got A, you got B, you got C. We're only going to do A because we don't need any more, but we have a start time. Oh, I guess we do have a B start time. C start time is off. You got C start time 1, 2, 3, 4. You got A start time 1, 2, 3, 4. You got B start time 1, 2, 3, 4. But we're just going to look at A. Oops. I'm going to go is 1, B, A, and so now we're going to do runtime. Now we did start times because it has these also have the A, but it doesn't have the AM PM. So you're on A, you're on program A. This is the program in the middle. We're on the station 1 or zone 1. And so I actually turned this one off for now. You can go up to 6 hours. See, I went down, and you can go. I think it'll count by hours too. No, it does like 10 minutes at a time. So and then between 6 hours and 1 minute is off, 0 minutes. So then you plus or minus to get the how many minutes you want to run for your runtime, the duration of how long the station or zone valve is activated. And so we're actually going to turn 0 for that for now. And then A2, this is program A, and program means you have a start time and you have certain water days, a start time and days, and then the run time on that program A. So program A we saw as, oops, I went too far, 3 a.m. and on the water days you have every day. So water days every day, start time 3 a.m., run time, this is going to come on at 3 a.m. for 10 minutes. This is going to come on 3 a.m. for 5 minutes, 3 a.m. for 45 minutes. There's no station 5 or 6 on this. And on this Hunter X2 Wi-Fi programmable fun adventure in landscaping. So then you got an hour total. This is the total. Okay. So you can't this particular most of them are 4. This one is capable for 6 because you can see the screws are not there for the 8, so it can go up to 6. I removed the panel, and those are the valve zone wires, control wires. And so then you can do 6 stations. After A6, you hit the right button one more, and then it shows you the total amount of time that it's watering for, 1 hour total. And so then we can go to the middle button, program B, and we can see the total time there is 5 minutes. So there must be something getting an extra cycle. Oh yeah, there's grass getting twice a day. So B is getting. We'll find out here. Oh, that was the total. Oh no, we're doing the start time. B is the start time is 3 p.m. So we have A at program A, 3 a.m. Program B, start time 1, 3 p.m. And then the run time on B station 1 So it's the second one is running the lawn. It's getting 3 a.m. and it's also getting 3 p.m. on program B. 3 a.m. with program A, 3 p.m. program B, 5 minutes on. I just remember that it's that, but I'll show you. It's getting 10 minutes at 3 a.m. Wait, that's 2. Yeah, station 2, and then station 2 program B is getting 5 minutes at 3 p.m. Got it? And then so that's the programs, and then so B is also on every day. We're gonna hit the program. C is on every day, but there's nothing on it. A every day, B every day. Okay, so what it would look like if it was off, you hit, see I hit the minus key to minus it off, and then it's off, and you can, and then so you can off that one, or you can go back and do it, or you can go forward through them, see them blinking as I'm hitting the button, and then you can skip days, or you can do certain days, or you can do all kinds of days. You can do certain days of the week, or you can just do it by these easy buttons. And so the droplet means every day, and the line through it obviously means no watering that day. So like if you had a Saturday that you were playing on the lawn, or you wanted it to be dry on Saturday so you don't water it on Friday or Saturday morning, then you could do that. So so that's water days. Seasonal adjustment, 100%. You can automatically set it to be more than that, but I don't know, that's pretty fancy. The pump is if you have a master valve, and then manual. If you're on A, you can I'm gonna hit the plus button to pump some minutes in, and then if you turn it to run, you can see the little sprinkler goes on, and I don't know if you could hear the whoosh, but it's watering. And then you can turn it back off, and you have to wait a second for it to catch up, but it'll turn off. And you want to leave it in automatic for the duration of activation. So there you have it. Thanks for enjoying this. Ask me any questions in the comments, and see you in the next video.